So VSS was a job shop created in 1971 by my father. It was a one-man shop. He borrowed $2,000 at the time to start the company. Over the years, we have grown. We now have 120 employees. We machine 24 hours a day, 7 days a week for our customers. Our customers make everything from the latest in engines for commercial and military planes. We make spare components for the US government, for landing gear. We machine difficult materials like carbon composites for aerospace work. We often cut things and we work with customers who have requirements within 1/10,000th of an inch. As a US-based manufacturer that takes a lot of pride in growing over the last 20 years in a difficult environment and providing high-paying jobs in the United States of America, making advanced products, we appreciate a company like Excel that does the same thing. We're very proud that they're made in the USA just like us. We pride ourselves on having the cleanest factory of our type out there, and we'd spend a lot of time on it. This was an older metal building and we retrofitted everything, and as part of that project, we had to redo the bathrooms. We had always used paper towels, which were just a mess. Just the labor involved in maintaining the bathrooms and the cost of the paper towels, it makes no sense to do it. We wanted air dryers, not just air dryers. We didn't know what they were called, but we wanted the ones, and I remember us joking because we make jet engines, that we wanted air dryers that were like the jet engines because we would see them in other facilities or rest areas that we go to. So we tried to figure out what they were and then came across the name Excel. The dryers are everywhere where people need to dry their hands, which are in every single bathroom at VSS in both buildings, plus on the shop floor where we have hand washing stations. We do have HEPA filters in the dryers, and employees really appreciate that technology. Some employees asked about it, particularly during COVID, and are glad that they're included. We have a significant maintenance department here at VSS, and they are working 24 hours a day to maintain machines and facilities, including the building. In 12 years, they have never had to do any type of maintenance to the Excel hand dryers. They might be the only thing attached to this place that they've never had to maintain. At VSS, we take a ton of pride in making things that last. And we appreciate and we focus on working with vendors who make things that last for us. Excel hand dryers are at the top of the list in vendors who are like that. We love their product because it has lasted and we expect it to last in the future.